I could never throw. I walk the earth that you created. My shadow sings your majesty. Paper crown is just enough to silhouette a righteousness. May the stones I hold make a martyr of me. Yeah, light of glory, help me see who I am and know your song of mercy only found on the ground beneath these stones. So in my heart I'll build an altar to you and you alone, to you alone. Every step I take by faith, closer to the grace I need. In my wake, every stone will break when earth and heaven meet. Light of glory, a song of mercy. Lord, I'll build an altar to you and you alone, to you alone. So take all of me that lies beneath the stones I could never throw.